Good evening. I kind of want to do some couple shout outs and thank yous to a few out there who have really helped me with a few of my projects. Some you've seen in previous videos, from the fire kit to some of the newer ones that I put up, like the cooking and tech and all that stuff. So, to skip forward without doing a whole bunch of blah blah blah, there's four who I really want to say hey and thank you for the content that you put out, the quality of the content, and the fact that you're upfront with your with what you're doing. And no real particular order, but we've got Dan Wowak with Coal Cracker Bushcraft. Some of your quick tips, your 2-minute tips, have saved me hours. Real easy hours of time doing stuff. And some of it I remember, and some of it I have to go back to a video and watch again. But I love seeing your stuff. Can't wait to see what else is coming out. The next one is Sean Kelly with Corpor's Corner. Man, you make things that are difficult so simple. Your delivery, your methodology, your steps, everything just make things so easy for a layman to pick up. I had done orienteering, back in basic training, but I hadn't touched it since. And I picked up a compass and I knew it pointed north. That's about it. Your navigation videos brought all that back to me, and I'm looking. There's an orienteering group here in town. I'm gonna, as soon as all this stuff gets under control, I want to try and get with that group and do some of their classes, and they've got some orienteering courses that are set up around town. We've got Luke over at the Outdoor Gear Review, and man, you have saved me so much money. It cost me so much money. It's not even funny. It actually is. And both of those statements are good statements, because, you've saved me from buying junk, and the good stuff that you've reviewed and recommended that may cost a little more, they have definitely saved me in the long run, even though the upfront was good. But I love the fact that, you do your thing, you do it well, and you don't take money for it. And that's, there's a lot to be said for that, especially when you're you're doing reviews on stuff that some people just, they get the box, they open it up, they put it up in their yard, they give their 5-star review, put it back in the box, and it never comes back out again. I think that's commendable to do. And the last one on this list is just one that has shown me just what can be done with the minimal amount of tools and gear when you're just going out to do stuff. And that's Lars with Survival Russia. And I know he gets a lot of flack for not being bushcraft enough, or not being this or not being that, but what he is a guy who's out there enjoying himself, having fun, doing work, doing what he likes, and he's sharing it with everybody. And personally, I have a huge curiosity for the daily life in Russia, and especially in rural Russia. And his content is absolutely fantastic. So again, this was just couple shout outs for some of the guys that I watch all the time, and you guys keep putting your shit out. It's awesome, and we will I will keep watching. You guys keep doing what you do.